have to excuse my appearance. Whenever it comes to running errands in Jamaica, I cannot wear makeup. Well, I can being in Manchester because like the weather's a little bit more cooler, but I'm running up and down the place. Like I'm literally running up and down the place, no joke. And sometimes you're standing outside in the heat, so me wearing makeup and doing errands in Jamaica does not make sense at all because it's just gonna sweat off and it's just not gonna look good. So right now I am running on the road. I have, guys, my fridge is still in the box. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm supposed to be editing videos today. I have 2 long videos to edit today, so I have to try and do everything really fast in like a 4-hour span, come back, edit, and then we're back on the road. So let's get into this vlog. Let's go on the road. Let's do some errands. And I'm gonna go drink some porridge because I have some porridge I'm gonna drink. So I'm gonna get my reusable cup. I got this cup from Cafe Dolce. It's like a coffee bistro place in Kingston. So I'm gonna put my porridge in there. Drink on the road. It's like a thermos, a hot cup for your hot things. This is gonna be a long week. So today's Monday.
You have reached the voicemail box.
You frighten me now.
So Spice is my friend. I met him through my sisters actually. They knew Spice first. And he lives in the same district as me. Not the same community, but the same district in Spalding. So right now, I stopped at his house to do something, but he's just gonna follow me to do a few errands. We have to go throughout these garbages here in Christiana. The reason why is because garbage truck doesn't run up to our community. We live up in the hills. That's not the reason why. They just don't want to come up to our community. They said that the roads are bad, even though everyone has cars up there and we all drive up there. They just don't want to come up there. And look how big garbage truck wheels are. Anyways, I told people to go and protest and don't vote for nobody. Because all right now, the MP is supposed to be doing something for a community. He's like dodging us. Anyways, that's a whole different story. So, Spice is watching his Kung Fu movie though.
True, man.
Yeah, so we're gonna go. He just went, what did you buy? I thought you were buying...
Strong bag.
That is it?
Yeah,
why does it smell like Magnum?
Keep my back strong.
Show the camera.
This is strong bag to keep my back strong, you know.
Why are you talking like that?
Yeah, keep my back strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it, strong back. Yeah, make your back strong, you know. Yeah, see that muscle man on the back. Yeah, me, that here.
Yeah. We'll see you guys. Look at this. One bag of things. I forgot my card at home and I'm so mad right now because now I have to go all the way back. I'll go back to the house to grab my card and but he said that it happened for a reason. Sometimes to cut out destruction, it will delay the time for you to do stuff, so.
That's true.
Okay, bye. Okay guys, we're going to the bar on the hill. TK's Hillside Bar. We're just hanging out here, just chilling for a bit.
Yes, right. One party.
That's it. I want to set this.
No, it's a vlog camera. For vlogs.
Same way.
Do you want to finish?
Just nothing. Water.
Why you guys drink rum and water?
No, water.
What is this, Campari and water?
Campari and hot water.
And aqua? Yeah. Okay, we're just here chilling. So we have to...
Probably I want your card to answer that.
Spice bought me a liquid drink. That's so big. Pineapple.
I was having a Campari. I'm drinking Campari.
And water.
Water.
Ew! 70, you're going to get married at 70. 75? Why you're too young to marry now?
Say how much? Someone dead to blood people, you know, married. I know you're married. Spice, I'm married to no broke girl.
Yeah, no. You're too nice to marry.
You're poor already, Spice. I'm not gonna load on yourself. And that I show cost you. Hello.
Hello, mom.
Okay.
Where guys are they? Yeah, man, I'm great.
Why are you looking at her? DJ. Spice has a
Literally,
crush
that's
on
my friend in Jamaica. You know where is it? Oh, God. You love me too.
funny, yo.
Yeah, because of that. Like you're ugly.
Yeah, why did someone do
I want to that, you
that?
know? This one you with George R. I'm not hiding.
And the ugliest girl missing from flyers.
Oh God, she don't ugly.
She's white.
What are ugly?
No, I seen better looking girls. Look at all these nice girls.
She a cream soda.
She went, man.
Yeah. Ugly. That the post not sexy.
Thumbs up. Run, God, let you go.
Sing it.
Last Christmas, maybe you want tree, girl.
Oh, that's nice. Oh,
Thanks for
God.
coming to get it.
Oh, you know me like Gary. Yes, me like.
What? He didn't find his teeth.
Thanks.
You what?
His
Teeth,
teeth.
Who drop you out?
Around 6-7 days down to me. When we crash. And drop out, you know? Drop out, you know?
Oh, then jump out.
That's why my teeth, when the cup man crash, man. I'm in the hospital, man, Joel and Cargo and Evie. Love it, man.
Then me now go jump.
Now go jump. Who runs that is, are you that drink? Are you that drink That's what I'm telling.
Alright, so
So Brandon told me yesterday that he didn't enjoy his birthday party. What happened?
I did not, because as soon as the party started, boom, 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 here comes the cops. And we had everything planned out, and then there goes the cop.
So they didn't know?
Well, the venue that I was keeping the party was well okay. The noise wasn't too loud. But there was this top cop, wasn't even on duty. Started to making all these type of calls, and he just don't like youth, so he's up. And I won't refrain from saying that.
We're gonna beep that out.
Right? So yeah, I just never get to enjoy my birthday party. But shout out to the people them who turn out same way.
Yeah.
Because we'd have to move the party to my house, and people them still enjoy themselves, still move the crowd, you know. And them always say, yo, dog, why you never just keep the party at your house like you normally do. But well, next time we know better.
You're gonna keep it here next time? Well, it's
Yeah.
your 30th next time. I didn't know you were that young. Someone was trying to tell me that you're 38, 39.
30 what?
I said, I don't think so.
Nah, man. I'm just I'm out here, I guess. But yeah, I'm young. It's a young youth, you know.
Yeah, he's only 29.
Right.
You're doing so good for yourself.
Right, you know, so congrats to myself for live as a 29-year-old. I know enough
That's
nigga no
true.
live as a 10-year-old, and my plug a friend, right? That's how I always I make sure I say the body video them and them something there. Yeah. So you can link her. Nothing is for free in these times, but yeah. Alright, you can link her. I just need she out do it back, you know? But yeah. She come for her cake.
Yeah, he had cake. I didn't get any cake yesterday. I saw it on his, what was it, WhatsApp? No, Instagram stories.
No,
Wait,
yeah,
what's
so
cake?
what have cake for a lot of people to like. I just have to go put it on my status now.
Yeah,
Say,
please.
come get cake. And the cake is very tantalizing. The cake very, no, it's not vanilla, it's cheesecake.
Really? So big?
Yeah, I Brandon this and so we have to do it good with that. Yeah, so
I'm just around the road. I'm coming back.
right, so my friend forward, come grab our cheesecake.
I didn't know it was cheesecake. That's my favorite type of cake.
Yeah, so
That was just vanilla.
wow, no, it's a cheesecake kind of setting, so yeah. But people, look out for better and greater things for come for the 2020 fuel, and it's all about life and support.
Why do you sound
You know?
so sad?
But no, I don't sound sad, I just sound tired because I don't get no rest all now. Right now, I forgot my bed to sleep and I feel for steak, so I just see steak in there, so I steak me I go look after some french fries right now. But yeah, we're gonna have a day in the life kind of vlog.
Yeah, that would be fine.
Right, yeah, I got have a day in the life with Brandon, like how do I get to work and all these things, so look out for that
can
too.
I join your, or is it
Yeah.
only for men?
No, it's gonna be, you're gonna be there, like she's...
No, I want to make some extra money with you.
You wanna make extra money with
Power
me?
to the Frenzy Inc. But I think it's only for men, don't you?
Nah, man. Frenzy Inc. for everybody, you know, every progressive people, because we have multiple entities and enterprise out there for people to make money. So, but always a look out, always a help, always a donate. And yeah, look at it, the ultimate.
Wow, it's so big.
Yeah. Big up to the woman who ball out and they said it is so big.
Why? This happy 20. Okay, so he really is 29, guys.
Right. So I am 29, right? So yeah. Cake for everybody. Cake for everybody and their mommy. Right.
Okay, this is a slice. I'm just gonna wrap it. Is this your steak you're talking about?
Yep. Yes, it is steak. You think it's not steak?
No, I'm laughing because it's just so neat and look, that's nice.
Just sirloin tip steak. That's what I'm having for dinner.
So this is cooking. Well, this is like 1/2 of cooking with bread with Mr. Frenzy Inc.
Jerk, pepper.
So we're gonna be making steak. So this is his setup. Seasoning cupboard. So I asked him if he's just gonna season it with black pepper and salt. But he said no. We season food over here. Alright, so what are you putting in right now?
Huh?
Black pepper?
So it's a black pepper, then we use the cayenne pepper. And then we use the Maggi jerk season.
So why aren't you like measuring it?
Yeah,
Or you don't need to.
I measure. Well, you want a tablespoon on them something?
No. But some people like. So what is this one? Salt?
This is a salt.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So there we have 4 ingredients so far, I think. Okay, so this is the jerk seasoning.
Right.
So you're having jerk
No, I'm seasoning it with jerk seasoning because we're going to put it straight to the oven. So.
So do you like cooking?
Well, I'm a great chef, you know, so I cook a lot.
Okay.
Sometimes I have to be in a mood to cook. So, mix up the seasoning together. I'm gonna rub it in. You understand?
Yeah.
Right. So this is how we do it. How I look after steak. Rub it in.
What the?
And people ask me, is the vlogger girl your girlfriend? The vlogger girl, I'm a linky. I'm a sister.
No one ever said that.
No, people ask me. I'm always telling them, say I'm a sister. This, you know, the G. My G.
I need some couple G's right now, actually.
Yeah, this is my G right here. And they are everything on my keep. But we're going to take piece of Malcolm party. You know, we have to vlog me for me dress and them things. Whoa, boy.
Who's that?
Woo.
Is someone here?
Yo! I pray.
It's a little bit dark.
I change the color in the kitchen because it covers are black, so it make it dark.
Yeah, I think so too.
Right, so.
No, but you don't need. You're gonna change these?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say those look good.
Color
Oh.
for the kitchen. So by the time you come back, probably tomorrow we paint it out white.
Oh, okay, to make it bright.
And then I will put on my box splash on the side.
Yeah. Great job.
Right. This is how it looks when you marinate. So marinate, man. Just give it a good 10 minutes, and then what we're going to do now, I'll put it on the file paper, and then now reheat it at 230 degrees. 230 degrees, yeah. Probably 260, and I will just put it in for like 10 minutes. Bakery for a good 10 minutes. So I'll have one special cooking for our channel too. Right.
You guys give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see so far that he's doing.
So this is the scene. I'm gonna show you a real full day preparation. Just choose the kind of food you want.
Yeah, comment down below.
Food preparation thing. Only that I love to see. And see how I cook it from start to finish, from grocery shopping.
Oh, that would be fun, yeah.
And then start cook it and then taste and presentation. That is it.
Okay, so see you guys in the next clip. Guys, it's the end of me setting up my Christmas tree and stuff. I am so exhausted. So let me show you. I'm just lying down here. If you guys want to see a full in-depth video of decorating at my place for the holidays, then I want to link that video. I think it's a good video. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next clip.